Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us: the impact of consuming too much sugar. It's easy to indulge in sweet treats, but understanding the consequences can help us make healthier choices. First off, let's talk about weight. Excess sugar can lead to weight gain, as it adds extra calories without providing any nutritional benefits. This can create a cycle that's hard to break, making it essential to be mindful of our sugar intake. Now, let's discuss a serious concern: diabetes. Consistently high sugar consumption can increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This condition can have long-term effects on your health, so it's crucial to keep our sugar levels in check. And we can't forget about our dental health. Sugar is a major culprit behind tooth decay and gum disease. When sugar lingers on our teeth, it creates an environment for harmful bacteria to thrive, leading to cavities and other dental issues. Taking care of our teeth is just as important as taking care of our bodies. Another aspect to consider is how sugar affects our energy levels. You might notice that sugary snacks give you a quick boost, but that's often followed by a crash that leaves you feeling tired and weak. This roller coaster of energy can make it difficult to stay focused and productive throughout the day. So, what can we do? It's all about moderation, limiting added sugars in our diet